Hey guys, nandito po ako para i-discuss sa inyo guys yung to be verb. Okay, ginagamit to guys sa present tense of the verb at saka present continuous tense. Okay, ginagamit to guys kung dinidescribe mo yung isang tao. Okay, for example, kung anong profession ng isang tao, halimbawa, he is a doctor. Okay, he is a doctor. She is a nurse. O ano pa? They are Filipinos. We are Filipinos. Okay, kung anong lahi natin, kung ilang taon na tayo, kung happy ba tayo o masaya. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng ganito. Okay, yung to be verb na. Sa I, ako, ang katumbas niyan is am. Okay, I am. I am. Okay? He, tsaka she, ibig sabihin niyan siya. Pag lalaki, he. Pag babae naman, she. Tungkol sa bagay-bagay, okay? Tulad ng ballpen na, yung pen na to, it is red. Okay, so gagamit ka ng it. Okay? You, ikaw, we, tayo, they, sila. So, ang katumbas na be verb ng bawat isa niyan is ito. Para sa I is am. Okay? I am. Okay? He is. Okay? She is. It is. Okay? Ito naman yung sa plural. Okay? You are. We are. They are. Okay? So guys, merong contractions. Okay, pag sinabing contractions, yung pinaiksi nito, pagpapaiksiin mo guys, okay, mostly kasi, when we are speaking, okay, hindi ka nagsasabi na lagi ng I am Filipino, okay, I am fat, gagamit ka ng I'm, okay, I'm, for example, I'm fat, okay, I'm pretty, ano pa, yun, guys. So, gagamit ka ng ganyan. Especially sa mga foreigners, gumagamit sila ng contractions na ganito. Okay? Pag sinabing contractions, ito, yung pinaiksi, guys. Okay? Kung ano yung pinaiksi niya. For example, I am, magiging I'm. He is, magiging his. Okay? She is, magiging she's. It is, magiging its. Okay? You are, magiging your. Okay? We are, magiging where. Where. Diba? Where. Okay? Ibig sabihin, we are. Where. Okay? They are, magiging there. Okay? There. So, ulitin natin. I'm, his, his, its. Okay? Next, your, where, there. Okay? Next. Guys, medyo napansin nyo guys, parang his. Parang letter Z. Okay? Kasi guys, sa mga foreigner, yan ang pronunciation nila. His. Instead na his, guys, magiging his. Okay? His. His. Okay? Letter Z, ang dulo. Okay? Pag-aralan nyo na lang guys, i-search nyo sa internet, yung the right pronunciation. Okay? Tuturuan kayo guys kung paano pag-pronounce ang ganyan. Okay, nahanap ko yan before na nag-apply ako sa call center. Okay, na-discover ko na iba pala ang pronunciation natin. Okay, so when you want to work in a call center, it's very important for you guys to know or to learn the right pronunciation. Okay, because you are speaking to foreigners. Pero kung sa atin lang naman, okay, maipag-usap tayo. Okay na yung his, she is. It doesn't matter, okay? Kaya lang, kung gusto niyo na itaas ang inyong standard sa pagsasalita ng English, it's better to know or to study the right pronunciation. Okay? Kahit na something na maliit lang kung sa tingin ninyo. Okay? So, ulitin natin his, his, okay? His. It's, your, where, and there. Okay, there. Next. May negative. Ito yung positive, okay? Ito naman yung negative. Pag sinabing negative, ibig sabihin hindi. Hindi ako, hindi siya, hindi ito, hindi ikaw, okay? Yan, gagamit ka ng hindi. So, pag papaiksiin mo yan, ito yon. Pero, pagka, for example, paano gagamitin tong negative na yan? For example, you. Okay? Sasabihin ko, you are pretty. Okay? Ikaw ay maganda. Pero kung sasabihin kong hindi ka maganda, you're not. You're not pretty. Okay? You're not pretty. Okay? Okay, you are telling the truth. Okay? Nagsasabi ka ng totoo. Pwede kong sabihin na, you are not telling the truth. Okay? You are not telling the truth. Okay? So, I am not, he is not, she is not, it is not. Okay? So, may napansin na naman kayo, guys. Parang letter Z to. Okay? Letter Z. Okay? Instead na S, magiging letter Z. Okay? So, guys, sorry Sa mga beginner po, kahit hindi po na kayo mag-aral ng tamang pronunciation, okay? Sa mga nag-work lang o gusto mag-work sa call center, okay? Sanayin nyo na to, guys, okay? He is not, okay? She is not. It is not, okay? Next, you are not, we are not, they are not, okay? Pag pinaiksi mo, I'm not, he isn't. So, magiging letter Z na naman siya, okay? Letter Z, okay? He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. Okay? It isn't. Okay? Ito nga pag, so, guys, ito, it is, okay? He is, ito, magiging letter Z din to, guys, letter Z. Okay? So, okay? He is, she is, it is. Okay? Ito naman sa negative. He isn't. Okay? She isn't. It isn't. Okay? You aren't, we aren't, they aren't. Okay? Yan ang contractions niya. Okay? Next. Ito naman pag nagtatanong, guys. Paano ka magtatanong? Gagamit ka ng, mauna muna yung be verb. Okay? To be verb niya. Bago yung pronoun. Okay? For example ako, am I speaking? Nagsasalita ba ako? Okay. Am I speaking to myself? Nagsasalita ba ako sa aking sarili? Okay? Am I talking to myself? Okay? Kinakausap ko ba ang aking sarili? Okay? So, am I talking to myself? Okay? So, gagamit ka ng am I? Okay? Kasi nagtatanong ka. Okay? Pero mostly, guys, tinatanong yan sa sarili mo lang. Okay? Pag kinakausap mo yung sarili mo. Pero, minsan lang ginagamit yan, guys, pag may kausap ka. Promise. Yung am I. Okay? Is he? Is she? Is it? Okay? Is he? Is he? Is she? Is it? Okay? So, are you? Are we? Are they? Okay? So, yan, guys, tandaan nyo, guys. Dapat, guys, isulat nyo yan sa notebook. So, guys, merong dito, pagkakaiba ng, ito, pagka may nakita kayo, guys, parehas lang ang pronunciation yan, guys. Your. Kaya lang, may ganun yan sa taas. Okay? Pag ganyan, ibig sabihin yan, asan ba yan? Your, ayan, okay? You are. Ibig sabihin yan, you are. Okay, your. Okay, you are, magiging your. Kaya ito, your. Okay, may ganun sa taas. Parang may kuwit sa taas. Okay? Tapos dito naman, your, ibig sabihin, pag-aari mo, your. Your pencil. Okay, your pen. Ang iyong pen, your. Okay, your. Ang iyong, ibig sabihin yun, ang iyong. Your house, ang iyong bahay. Okay? So, there. Pag sinabing there, they are, pinaiksi lang ng there. Okay, they are. Ibig sabihin niya, they are. Okay, pinaiksi lang yan. There, pag sinabing there, kasi parang yan, pares lang ang pronunciation niya. There. Okay? Kanila, ibig sabihin kanila. Their house. Okay? Ang kanilang bahay. Their house. Of course, guys, magkaiba tong where at saka were. Pag sinabing were, guys, kasi ito yung present tense niya, or were, pag ano, past tense, were, okay? Yung where, yan yung we are, where, okay, where, okay, yan yung contraction siya, where, were, okay, where, were. Ito, may apostrophe guys ha, magkaiba yung may apostrophe. Sa taas, ayan, may ganun, may kawit sa taas, okay? So, wag kakalimutan yan guys. So, magbibigay ako ng examples guys. Ano yung ginawa ko guys, okay? Ako ay masaya, I am happy, siya ay masaya. Pag lalaki, he is happy, okay? Pag babae naman, she is happy, okay? Ito ay maliit. Halimbawa, ito, maliit to, okay? Ito ay maliit. It is small, okay? Ikaw ay malakas, you are strong, okay? Tayo ay pupunta sa shop, okay? We are going to the shop, okay? Sila ay nagsusulat. They are writing. So, guys, nakita nyo kung paano gamitin yung ano, yung be verbs na is or are. Madalas ginagamit yan guys sa present tense of the verb o kaya present continuous tense of the verb, okay? Tapos lalagyan natin ng contractions dito guys, okay? So i-convert lang natin yung guys, okay? So for example, I am happy. So i-convert mo lang siya na ganyan, okay? I'm happy, okay? I'm happy. Tapos ito, he is happy, okay? He is happy. Pag ano naman, she is happy. Pag babae, okay? He is happy, she is happy, okay? It's, okay? So, ito, pag papaiksin mo guys, it's small. Guys, sa mga beginner, kailangan nagsusulat ng ganito guys, para nasasanay po tayo, okay? Tsaka para hindi tayo marong grammar, okay? At saka dito tayo mag-uumpisa talaga guys, sa pinakasimple. Ikaw ay malakas, you are strong, so your, okay? Lalagyan mo ng apostrophe, okay? Strong. Next, we are going to the market, so where, yan, where, lagyan mo ng ganyan, okay? Going, sorry guys, hindi pala market. We're going to the shop, okay? Halimbawa, sa computer shop, we're going to the computer shop, okay? Pinaiksi, shop, okay? We're going to the shop, okay? Di kasi. They are writing, so, pag they are, pag papaiksiin mo guys, yung contraction na tinatawag, contractions, okay? They are writing, okay? Okay? So, ito yung positive, okay? Positive. Pag sinabing positive, pag positive, I am happy. Pag negative naman, I am not happy. Okay? So, ito guys, yung positive, pag kinonvert mo siya, magiging ganyan. So, pupunta naman tayo sa negative, guys. Okay? Ito na guys, yung negative statement. Okay? Pag sinabing ako ay hindi masaya, I am not happy. Okay? Ang contractions niya, I'm not happy. Okay? Siya ay hindi masaya. Pag lalaki, he is not happy. Okay? Ang contraction niya, he isn't happy. Okay? Tapos, pag babae naman, she is not happy. She isn't happy. Okay? Pag, ito ay hindi maliit. Okay, it is not small. It isn't small. Pag contractions. Pag sinabing contraction, pag pinaiksi yung ganito niya. Okay? Pagpapaiksi. Okay, ito pinaiksi yung I am, naging I'm. Okay? Is not, naging isn't. O, ganun yun. Next. Ikaw ay hindi malakas. Sa English, you are not strong. Pag hindi, lalagyan mo lang ng not. Okay? Pagkatapos ng be verb na are, susunod na yung not. Okay, you are not strong. Okay. Pag piniksi mo, you aren't strong. Okay? We are not going to the shop. So, tayo ay hindi pupunta sa palengke. Or, hindi tayo pupunta sa shop pala. Sa shop, sorry. Tayo ay hindi pupunta sa shop. Okay? We are not going to the shop. Okay? we aren't, okay, aren't going to the shop, okay? Sila ay hindi nagsusulat, okay? They are not writing, okay? Sila ay hindi nagsusulat. They are not. So, yung not, dito yan. Pagkatapos ng are. Not writing. Tapos, pag piniksi mo yung are not, nagiging they aren't. Okay, aren't na. Okay, they aren't writing. Okay? So, guys, susunod na yung pagtatanong. Paano tayo magtatanong? Okay? So, guys, na yung yung questions. Okay? Diba, ito yung yung positive statement. I am happy. Ako ay masaya. He or she is happy. It is small. You are strong. We are going to the shop. And they are writing. Okay, guys. Magtatanong tayo ngayon. Okay. Ako ba ay masaya? Sa English. Am I happy? Okay. Siya ba ay masaya? Kung lalaki is he happy. Pag babae naman is she happy. Okay. Ito ay maliit. Ito ba ay maliit? Is it small? Okay? So, dapat pagka nagtatanong kayo guys, parang, alam niyo yung pataas yung boses natin. Okay? Hindi pwedeng, am I happy? Am I happy? Hindi pwedeng ganun. So, am I happy? Is he happy? Is she happy? Is it small? Okay? So, you are strong. Okay? Ikaw ay malakas. Ikaw ba ay malakas? Okay? Are you strong? Okay? So, we are going to the shop. Okay? Pupunta tayo sa shop. Okay? Are we going to the shop? Pupunta ba tayo sa shop? Okay? Sila ay nagsusulat. Sa English, they are writing. Kung magtatanong ko, are they writing? Okay? Sila ba ay nagsusulat? So, guys, ito, mapapansin nyo, pag nagko-question tayo, guys, okay, or nag-a-ask, or nagtatanong, una muna yung be verbs. Okay? Yan ang mauna. Okay? Okay? Be verbs muna. Susunod yung subject. Okay? Subject na. Okay. Subject. Subject or pronoun. Okay? Kasi guys, pwedeng ito, si Peter. Okay? Peter is happy. Okay? Di ba, si Peter ay masaya. Sa Peter is happy. Pag gagawin mo siyang tanong, is Peter happy? Ganun lang yun. Jennifer is happy. Okay. Is Jennifer happy? Ganun lang. So,